want a bag, I want a bag too. Yeah. She want it bad, I want it bad too. Yeah. Plant a seed and watch that bag bloom. I'm blowing up, watch that bag boom. Getting dirty, sipping mud.
Hey you guys, it's Jonae KyOshee. Thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are not, welcome back. Today I will be having my 2-month lock update, so if you want to stay tuned, please do. But before you do, make sure you guys like my video, comment down below, and subscribe right here. I talk back and I do giveaways. Let's get right into this video. So before we get started into this video, I want to thank the Evers Hair Care for sending me the bundle that I will be talking about. They are 5 sisters and they have their own hair company. Like, you guys are amazing. I love your Edge Balm and your products. I can't wait for more. And let's talk about these products. So edges are slayed by their Edge Balm. They sent me their Edge Balm and it looks like this. It is this kind of texture. You guys, I love it. And then they sent me their edge brush, and it came in this, and then it has like instructions on how to use it. And then a to-go pouch. Like, you guys, I know y'all losing the edge brush because I know I do, and then I always have to go buy a lot. And like, yeah, to-go pouch, you just put that in here and to go, you'll never lose it again. And then they sent you a headband. So they sent me the bundle that included the Edge Balm, the to-go pouch, the brush, and the headband. That was all $22.99. If you want to get these alone, the edge brush alone is $3.99. The Edge Balm actually comes in natural. This one is the natural, and it comes in a Relax Edge Balm as well. Those retail alone for $10.99. Last time I checked, this one, the red, the natural, was sold out. So y'all, it's good stuff. And then the edge brush, the to-go pouch, and the plain headband retails for $12.99. You guys, I love this brush. First of all, you can scoop the product out. You no longer have to dip your finger and get all messy, and you know, you scoop it out and you place it. I will have a video in the next clip of me doing my edges. So once again, you guys, thank you guys for sending me this bundle. I love it, and I will be using and purchasing again. I might do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And all their links for their social media will be on their screen. Their Instagram right here. If I find their Facebook, all links will be down below, and their website. Go check them out, go purchase from them and support them. I love them so much. Thank you guys again. The next clip will be of me doing my edges, so check that out. Bye. September 17th is when I started, and then I finished the install September 18th. They were too big, so I split them into two and made it more fuller. So that's a little recap. So I am almost 3 months actually locked, so 2 months lock update. So I know I need a retwist. I know, y'all, I know, definitely need a retwist. You guys, this is my favorite style, first of all, that I just throw up. First thing first, if I'm looking down, I wrote all my notes on my phone. First thing first, y'all, my scalp is so itchy. Like, it is so freaking itchy. But I found this spray. I didn't even grab it. I'm about to go grab it. I found this spray, and I only sprayed it. I recently just got it, but I sprayed it once. My scalp ain't itchy no more. I don't know why my scalp is itchy. I don't know if it's I do not use a lot of products in my hair. But let me go grab that spray bottle before I get into the next updates. So hold on, I'm back. All right, so this is the spray. It is mango and lime, Jamaican mango and lime no more itch grow spray, and it says it helps soothe dry and itchy scalp. It moisturizes, helps prevent breakage, great for braids, locks, and twists. So it looks like this. I've only used it once. It was $6.99 at the beauty store. Miracle worker. My next in my little thing, I say, oh yeah, when I wake up, how I like maintain my locks is I have a spray bottle that I just put the rosemary, 3 drops of rosemary, and then regular water, and I just spritz it, mist it a little bit, and then comb it, and then usually, I'm not gonna lie, I just style it in this puff. I'm not even gonna lie. The oil I use for my scalp is grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil. I used it when I didn't have locks, and I use it now, and I just use that very lightly for my scalp. And then sometimes if I have a little extra, I might run it through my hair, but you guys, little to no product is better, okay? That's what I do. To wash my hair, I use the twist and band method. Twist my hair, and then I band it at the ends, and then I take a spray bottle and I dilute it with the Suave clarifying shampoo and put it in a spray bottle, and then I spray sections of my hair, and then I go into my scalp, because the scalp is most important, then everything else will fall on the twist, and then I rinse it out. So that's how I wash my hair. After I wash my hair, I take a little shower, and then, you know, as it's in my, it's like in a towel, it's like drying. So after I get out the shower, it's a little damp still, I take out my hair so it doesn't marry, and then I'm taking the twist out and I'm pulling apart if they married at the scalp. And sometimes that's when I do a retwist, but usually I only wash my hair before a retwist, I actually noticed. Speaking of retwist, I retwist my own hair. I use the interlock method, and I use the 4-point rotation. I think I'll make a video of that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. My last retwist took 2 days, and I wrote down the time. So my last retwist was on November 9th, and the 10th is when I finished. And I said it took 2 days. First day started at 10:29 a.m. and ended at 11 p.m. That also included breaks and being a mom, of course. And then the second day started at 9:45 a.m. and ended at 8:31 p.m. My hands were so happy, y'all. Whew. But it's worth it because interlocking, you don't have to retwist so often. I heard palm rolling, you do have to retwist so often because it's palm rolled. Interlocking is you're weaving the hair in and out, and you can literally wash it the next day if you wanted to. As for palm rolling, you cannot because it has to dry and it has to stay, you know, it can unravel. So I love interlocking, it lasts longer, and it just, your hair locks faster as well. So you guys, I don't know if I can find it. Let me see. Well, the first time I interlocked, I actually interlocked two of my micro locks together on accident. So now it's just a unique looking lock. When I have my hair down, if I remember to show you guys, I will, or else I'll just put a picture up. But now it looks so unique and stuff, you know. I'm like, girl, what was you doing? But it looked neat, okay? And you guys, I sadly noticed shrinkage. I'm gonna put pictures up and through this video, okay? But I noticed shrinkage. I don't know if it's because I spritz my hair every morning. Well, I kind of calmed down on that. I do it every once in a while, every other day type thing. But I noticed shrinkage, and I'm like, it's okay, you know, because my hair already shrank up when I did my starter locks. It already shrank up, but like now I just feel like it keeps on shrinking. But it's okay, you know, it's okay. It will flourish. And then I also noticed some, I think it's like bunching and swelling. I don't know if I'm saying the terms right, but like some of my locks are like fats, like, and then bunching, so they like look, so that might be where the shrinkage is coming from actually. And you guys, I think I want to dye my hair. I'm gonna put the color up, and I'd probably only do highlights or something. I wouldn't dye all of my hair, but I probably would I'm gonna put the color up on the screen. Y'all let me know down below if I should dye my hair. I really want to. I'm like itching to dye it, but then I always go back to black. But my hair is like sun-kissed from the sun. The last time I dyed my hair was black, and like, y'all, my hair is sun-kissed like a mug chucker, okay? And I had a question on how I got my curly ends. So when I was started my locks, I left a little bit of my hair out. My hair is naturally curly, so it kept these results. I don't manipulate it. Like, I do spray it with a little bit of water, and then I just do this. But I don't do anything special like one by one curl them up. This is just how they stayed. I hope they last for a long time. I know they won't last forever when my hair starts locking. It's already like shrinking and everything, but yeah. I hope you guys like my video. Sorry for looking down. I had my phone right here. Maybe I should have had it up like this or something. But if you guys have any questions or anything, if I forgot anything, I will put it in the comments or the description box. Thank you guys for watching my 2-month lock update, micro lock update. That's so crazy that I lock my hair. Like, I'm still surprised. I will have like a length check after this clip, so you guys stay tuned for that. Let's get into it. I'm gonna take out my ponytail, so don't judge me. This is my favorite little style. I just throw it up, okay, y'all? Let's look at that length check, if there even is one. I don't feel like there is, but let's see. Oh gosh, my hair looks crazy. Let me do a little quick combing. This is how I comb my hair, y'all, my little locks. I don't think there is a length difference, but so. You guys see? I need to retwist. And then my unique lock is, where is it? Any other day I can just find it. I think I found it. So my unique lock that I accidentally interlocked looks like this. So now it's like one, but it looks like that. I hope you guys like my little, if you guys notice like any length, like I just noticed shrinkage, okay? Like, and I be feeling like my hair don't look as thick. So, this is what it looked like. So if you guys like my 2-month lock update and you guys want me to continue to making updates and anything like I'm learning from the next month from the last month, let me know down below. Thank you guys for clicking on my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my update once again. I hope you guys like my video. Comment down below and subscribe right here. I'll have more lock updates, and you guys have a blessed day. Bye.
Vega wins.